Find HCF and LCM of 17, 23 and 29 by using Prime Factorization Method. To find HCF and LCM, first let us know these definitions. HCF, that is highest common factor. The HCF of two numbers is equal to the product of terms containing the least power of common prime factors of the two numbers. LCM, that is the least common multiple. The LCM of two numbers is equal to product of the terms containing the greatest powers of all prime factors of the two numbers. Now let us find the HCF and LCM of 17, 23 and 29 by using Prime Factorization Method. First, let us write the given numbers in factor form. 17 can be written as 17 into 1. 23 can be written as 23 into 1 and 29 can be written as 29 into 1. Therefore, HCF is equal to product of smallest power of each common prime factor of numbers, that is 1, and LCM is equal to product of greatest power of each prime factor of the numbers is equal to 17 into 23 into 29, which is equal to 11,339.